coconut custard. Tuna sweet rice. Hirap na gumawa ng biko. Sakit sa braso. Grabe. Na ang ating biko, nakaset na siya sa pan na merong dahon ng saging. Ngayon naman ilalagay natin yung custard topping. We're out of LP gas. I cannot use the oven, so my good old faithful air fryer will do it for me. 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Okay. The biko is ready. Yan yung custard topping, coconut custard topping. Ganda, diba? Pwede rin yung air fryer. Dahil ubos na yung LP gas namin, hindi ko magamit yung oven. Ayan, wagi pa din. Bango.
Evil in the world, and we have now seen children murdered, and many adults and children severely injured. And this is a moment for us to come around and support these families. This can demonstrate evil behavior, but today has been one of the most shocking days in my term as governor. I do believe that Abigail Spanberger does want to codify the law and order. What we've seen in Virginia is that we can do this. We have a fabulous cooperation with the federal government, with Homeland Security, with the FBI, with the DEA, with ATF, in order to bring these criminals to justice. We've arrested over 3,500 illegal criminals who have made some criminals stand for the rights of victims and citizens. That's the difference on the ballot. That's
Dreaming of a new kitchen? Now's the time at Cabinets to Go. During our Buy More, Save More sale. Save up to 40% on stunning cabinets for every style and budget. Plus,
looks like
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. I hate glass. The reason
pandan bibingkang malagkit with coconut custard. Yummers.
We just need to connect. This guy's in Texas. He's passionate about these. Because it has a connection to a family.
Gawa na kayo mga loves.
Way to breathe.